If you're seeing a GOG connection error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that can usually get GOG Galaxy working again. This is a common issue when the client can't connect properly, when security software blocks it, or when a game install gets stuck in the launcher. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and gaming guides. First, let's start with the most important step, checking your firewall and antivirus rules. Sometimes Windows security or third-party antivirus software blocks GOG Galaxy from connecting to the internet, even though the program itself is safe. To fix that, you'll want to add GOG Galaxy to your trusted exception list. The first file to add is GalaxyClient.exe, and the path is C/program files x86/GOG Galaxy/GalaxyClient.exe. The second file is GalaxyClientService.exe, located at C/program files ex/GOG Galaxy/GalaxyClientService.exe. Open your antivirus settings or firewall settings, find the exclusions, trusted apps, or allowed programs section, and add both of those files. Once they're added, save the changes and make sure the permissions are applied. This step is important because if either the client or the service is being blocked, GOG may keep showing connection errors, login problems, or download issues. After updating your security settings, the next step is to fully restart the GOG Galaxy client. A simple restart can refresh the connection and clear temporary glitches. To do that, look at the Windows system tray in the bottom right corner of your screen. Right-click the GOG Galaxy icon and select Exit. This makes sure the program closes completely instead of just minimizing in the background. After that, relaunch GOG Galaxy from your desktop, Start menu, or Shortcut, and check whether the connection error is gone. In many cases, this alone is enough to fix the problem. If you're still having trouble, especially while trying to install a game, there's one more useful workaround you can try. Instead of launching the game through the client, go directly to the download folder and run the offline installer manually. This can bypass the launcher and let the installation continue without relying on the connection inside GOG Galaxy. If the client is being stubborn, this is a great way to keep moving forward while you troubleshoot. So to recap, the main fixes are to add the GOG Galaxy files to your firewall or antivirus exception list, restart the client completely, and if needed, use the offline installer directly from the download folder. These steps solve a lot of common GOG connection and installation issues. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and leave a comment if you want more PC gaming fix videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.